This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 107 of building Kitt from Knight Rider. This is a small self-contained issue, so let's get to it. Get looking through Night Flight to Freedom, because it's night, not night, daytime, night, because it's his name. That is episode 19 of season 4. We're approaching the end now, so read all about the Night Flight if you so desire. All the pictures if you don't, or just skip forward to the building part in a minute. But you know, let's have a look through. What the building part we're going to be doing is the luggage cover. What do they actually call it? The lining for the luggage compartment. Pretty sure this is the bit that goes over the top, you know, like the bit that would be on a ratchet or something, or just fold out the way to cover over the boot or the trunk, depending on your nationality. So we're just going to fit an edge piece to that, a little handle to that, and then I'm assuming that will at some point next time be attached to the body itself. And looking at Sid. Don't remember Sid. No idea who or what Sid is, but if you want to read the words, feel free. Let me clear this out of the way and let's get this liner built. So, yes, the parts we have. We've got a nice piece of fabric. I wasn't expecting that to be fabric, to be honest. I was thinking some sort of plastic, but there we go. So this has two sides. Obviously, it's it's not square, it's trapezoid. So we're fitting these to the shorter side. I believe, let me just double check that, make sure. The shorter of the two, yes, yeah, there we go. Right, so we've got two plastic strips and a clip, and obviously a collection of screws. We're going to be using the QP screws to begin with. They are just tiny, so I might need to give out my smaller screwdriver. We need 4 of those. 3. 1 of those in the packet. Get 1 more to escape. There we go. Goes aside for spares. So we need the one with the smaller hole in it. Got notches on the inside, so you know which one's which, and the ends are slightly tapered. So we're going to have the tapered ends being that way round. Going on there like that. Now this doesn't have any holes in it, so we're just going to be carefully lining it up. Just put it on and then turn it over, but I'm going to put it underneath. Smart way of doing it. We have that way round, and then this will go on the top like so, and the 4 screws will hold that in place. Yeah, I'm going to go a smaller screwdriver than that. Let me dig out my smallest of small screwdrivers. Bit like that one, I think. Be good. So we'll try that. I'll go through there, and through the fabric, and then into plastic on the other side. That's the plan. How well the plan works, we shall find out. Not very, I think, is the answer to that. It doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. Maybe, no, maybe not. That's maybe it's gone through the fabric a little bit, but not through to the other side. This is going to be one of those tricky, trying to get it all lined up jobs. So let's have one more go. Worked. I think that hasn't worked. No, that hasn't worked. Right, let me try and do this off camera where I can get in closer and see exactly what's going on. It's going to attach on there a bit like that. So I shall see you in just a sec. Right, I've got it on there. I did actually have the lower one the wrong way up. The ridge is visible on here, not the other way around. The holes didn't quite line up. So I've reversed it, got it the other way around, and then they do. So that's now attached to one side of that. The last thing we've got to do is fit the catch on there, which goes on there through the larger hole on that. Because it won't fit through the smaller hole, I don't think. No, doesn't fit through the smaller hole, so you've got to get it through that side. And then it's the RP screw that holds that in place. So once I get that on there, we can then see about that through there. And that will hold all that together. And that's our little catch that's obviously going to, this is obviously going to attach to the car itself, and then that can be unclipped and attached on if you so desire. So there we go. That's that completed. That's it for this issue. Join me next time when I'm sure we're going to be adding this to the car itself. So a little bit bigger, more impressive stuff to be dealing with next time. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you very, very soon. Bye bye for now.